That jump there. Oh, yeah. It's not going to be easy. That's the first one. Still got a slide down. I don't want to see. Now you just got to touch your feet and put it up, right? Yeah. Just back there and flip it up.
Is that jealous? No.
My shoes. Ooh. My soles are sliding all over my shoes from going to the river with them yesterday. Oh, yeah? What river did you go to? Whitefish? I suppose. God!
You shot it.
Damn it!
Had a hand on you, that's a tough shot.
Yeah!
Oh, that was ugly.
Ooh.
That was a Larry Bird shot.
I ain't gonna come back player anymore. I can't just get on base. Oh, come on!
Oh, too easy. Inside position. Using his
Leg
side.
screen.
He's using his side. Get him out of there, Danny. Get him out of there. Nice.
No, buddy. Duo.
Dang it, dang it. Dang it there, Danny. Oh, fuck. Too hard.
You and your brother are both
Really?
supposed to grab each other out of the way.
Yeah, I don't grab you, but I'm...
Reach, I teach, baby. Reach, I teach. Oh. Yeah, let's go farther that way.
No legs on a jumper. Ooh, what's the score? Huh?
3-2.
3-2. Come on, Luke. I almost had you do it. Fuck. That game could have either went either or.
I caught my wind once you got to 5. 3-2.
Oh, easy. Lefty.
Ah!
Oh, that was easy left.
I gotta quit giving you that. You gotta quit giving that. Body has to talk to the
You gotta
leg.
get there earlier, man. Coming there too late.
Oh, come on. That's the thing. It's probably a good percentage play to let his ball shoot jump. If you don't make it,
Oh, nice. In your face. Damn. That was nice.
4-3.
Count it to him, Luke. Done.
Oh.
Get back on D. Get back on D. You know he's gonna pop that. Pop the shoot.
4.
fake, Luke.
4-4.
Battle of the cousin, who wants it more? Who wants it more?
4-4.
Battle of the cousin, sweat and tears, man, sweat and tears. Who wants it bad? Who wants it bad? Luke wants it bad, he wants it.
5-4.
He's running on diesel, man. Michael J. Pop and shoot. Oh my God. You like birds, pass like magic, dribble like Isaiah. Fuck up like Rodman.
6-4.
One more, Danny. Get up on him. Oh, one more. You're done, man. Luke, you're done. Game.
5.
Huh?
5.
You're leading?
No, he's leading.
Oh, 5-6.
5-6.
Game, Luke. Well, he was using his height.